Hello everyone, and welcome back to SephiaSpaces, the place where architecture, design, and beautiful living come together. Today, we're exploring a stunning modern home surrounded by peaceful greenery, a place where minimalism meets warmth and comfort. From its elegant white exterior to the carefully designed outdoor spaces, this home creates a perfect balance between modern design and a relaxing natural atmosphere. Let's take a slow, cinematic walk through every corner of this beautiful property. Street view. Opening shot. From the street view, the home immediately captures attention with its clean white facade, sleek black metal roof, and timeless architectural lines. The house stands gracefully among tall trees, creating a calm and private setting that feels almost like a retreat in nature. The contrast between the bright walls and the dark roof gives the home a sophisticated character while still maintaining a welcoming and peaceful presence. Driveway. As we move closer, the spacious driveway welcomes guests with a simple yet elegant layout. The smooth concrete path leads naturally toward the entrance, framed by subtle landscaping and soft greenery. This approach creates a gentle transition from the outside world into the tranquility of the home, making the arrival feel calm and refined. Front yard. The front yard is thoughtfully landscaped with neatly trimmed grass, small shrubs, and decorative plants that complement the architecture. The greenery softens the clean lines of the house while adding life and freshness to the space. It's a perfect example of how simple landscaping can enhance the beauty of modern design without overwhelming it. Porch. The porch area feels warm and inviting, designed as a comfortable outdoor corner where you can sit, relax, and enjoy the quiet surroundings. With cozy seating, soft lighting, and natural plants placed around the space, this small area becomes a charming introduction to the home before stepping inside. Entryway. Stepping through the front door, the entryway immediately offers a sense of openness and calm. Natural light flows gently into the space, highlighting the clean interior design and creating a bright, welcoming atmosphere. The transition from outdoor greenery to the soft interior tones feels seamless and peaceful. Living room. The living room is designed as the heart of the home. Large windows allow daylight to fill the space while offering beautiful views of the surrounding trees. The open layout creates a relaxing environment perfect for gathering with family, entertaining guests, or simply enjoying quiet moments in comfort. Dining room. Connected effortlessly to the living space, the dining area feels both intimate and elegant. This is where conversations linger over meals and everyday moments become special memories. The design encourages togetherness while maintaining a sense of modern style and simplicity. Kitchen. The kitchen embraces a modern minimalist approach with clean cabinetry, organized storage, and functional workspace. Every detail is designed to make cooking enjoyable and effortless. The balance between style and practicality makes this kitchen not only beautiful, but also highly functional for daily life. Pantry. Just beside the kitchen, the pantry offers additional storage that keeps the main kitchen area clean and uncluttered. It's a practical feature that enhances organization while maintaining the sleek aesthetic of the overall space. Bedroom. The bedroom serves as a quiet sanctuary within the home. Soft lighting, comfortable proportions, and natural views create a calming environment ideal for rest and relaxation. It's a space designed to help you unwind and recharge after a long day. Closet. The walk-in closet provides a spacious and organized area for clothing and accessories. With thoughtful storage solutions and a clean layout, it feels almost like a personal boutique within the comfort of the home. Bathroom. The bathroom reflects a spa-like atmosphere with its simple design and calming tones. Clean lines, elegant materials, and soft lighting create a relaxing environment where everyday routines feel refreshing and peaceful. Office. For those who work from home, the office space offers a quiet and inspiring environment. Natural light and a calm setting help encourage focus and productivity, making it a perfect place for creativity and concentration. Library. The home library is a cozy retreat for reading, reflection, and quiet moments. Surrounded by books and soft lighting, this space invites you to slow down and enjoy the simple pleasure of a good story. Patio. Stepping outside again, the patio creates a comfortable outdoor living space. Whether it's morning coffee, afternoon relaxation, or evening conversations, this area extends the home's warmth into the open air. Backyard. The backyard opens into a peaceful green space that feels private and refreshing. Surrounded by tall trees and natural landscaping, it offers the perfect setting for outdoor gatherings, quiet walks, or simply enjoying nature. Backyard sunset, ending shot. As the sun begins to set, the backyard transforms into a truly magical scene. Warm, golden light filters through the trees, casting soft shadows across the garden and creating a serene atmosphere that feels calm and timeless. Thank you for joining us on this beautiful home tour here on SephiaSpaces. We hope this peaceful and elegant home inspired you with its thoughtful design and connection to nature. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to follow SephiaSpaces for more cinematic home explorations, beautiful architecture, and inspiring spaces around the world. Until next time, we'll see you in another amazing space.